In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Shopify products with your Google Merchant Center Next account. This process is straightforward and should take you about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. To get started, you need to install the Google and YouTube app on your Shopify account. First, head over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, navigate to the apps section. Here, you will need to search for the Google and YouTube app. This app is essential as it allows the integration between your Shopify products and Google Merchant Center. So go ahead and install the app once you find it. Next, you'll need to connect your Google account. Open the app within Shopify and you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. This step is crucial because you have to link your Google Merchant Center Next account to start syncing your products. Make sure you log in with the correct Google account associated with your business and merchant center to avoid any confusion later on. After connecting your account, it's time to set up your product feed. At this stage, you'll choose which products you'd like to sync. Be strategic here. You can either sync your entire product catalog or just a selection of key products you want featured on Google. Once you have made your choice, ensure that all your selected products meet Google's requirements. This includes proper titles, clear images, accurate pricing, and other necessary details. Double check all this information. Meeting these standards is vital because Google uses this data to determine the quality and eligibility of your products. Once your products are set, there's a bit of a waiting period. Your products will be reviewed by Google. This review process is to ensure that your products comply with all of Google's policies and guidelines. Don't worry if this takes some time, as Google will notify you about your product status through the app. You'll be able to see the status of each product, which could be marked as approved, pending, or disapproved. In case any product is disapproved, don't worry, you'll have the opportunity to make the necessary adjustments and resubmit them for approval. Keep an eye on the status updates in the app and make sure to address any issues that appear. This way you're ensuring your products will seamlessly synchronize with Google Merchant Center. And there you have it, a quick and efficient method to sync your Shopify products with Google Merchant Center Next. By following these steps, you're setting your store up for greater visibility and potential growth. I hope you found this guide helpful and you can follow these steps to enhance your online storefront. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.